You know what time it is! Oh, wait, you don't? Oh, well, you do now. It's time to give this bad boy away. But first, let me take you on a little road trip. We'll draw for this at the end of the video. I absolutely love to collect old and vintage things. I think they're so much cooler than anything that they make nowadays. Well, check out what I just did. So this is my 1960s flex steel couch and chair set. Check these bad boys out. They are absolutely gorgeous. I paid $100 for this set about 2 years ago at a yard sale, and we've got some really good use out of it. But unfortunately, this is the last time that I'm going to be sitting in it. I'm going to have to take you to Oklahoma City to show you why. All right, we got the couch loaded up, load and tow, got it strapped down. She ain't going nowheres. At least I hope not. I've had stuff fly out of my vehicle before, and oh, it broke my heart. It was a big, tall, pink, like Queen Victorian style, like back armchair. And oh, sad day. It was borderline depressing, but this guy is not going anywhere. Fingers crossed. Let's get on down to Oklahoma City. Let's take a quick peek at this before we hit the road. So if you didn't know, we have a $3 and $5 monthly subscription where we give away a machine that we refurbish every single month. This month we are giving away this beautiful Ultra Power. Let's turn it on real quick, take a little listen to it. She sounds pretty good. Yeah, baby. So she is quite a bit older, but this thing is a workhorse. I actually just finished polishing it up, re-greasing it, so it's going to be ready to rock and roll. It does come with this bowl here and all the attachments. There's only the paddle in there, but have no fear. We'll get them all. Well, I already had to come back home once, so hopefully we don't have to turn around again. I only made it to the end of the street, so no more returns this time. I had to stop and get my strip of money. Just kidding. This is for tolls. Ugh. I did it. I've made it to Oklahoma. There's my pickup over there. Look at it, just about to cross the state line here. Do one of those duck faces. Oklahoma, where the wind goes sweeping across the plains. Okay, I made it to Oklahoma City finally, and guess what? I traded a couch for a couch. Well, actually, I didn't trade it. So basically what I did was I traded them my couch for half price of what I had it advertised for. So I got $400 for my couch, and I got their couch, which it is super vintage looking. Let me turn this around and show you real quick. So obviously this is not a great view of it because it's just in the back of my truck. So I'll show you when we get home all set up what it looks like, but it is a nice couch. So I made it home. We got the couch loaded inside. I'm going to take you in there to see it. Right now I am editing the video that you are currently watching. Just about to do the drawing. We're giving away a mixer at the end of this video. Let's go check out the couch. All right, check out this couch. It's just got a super vintage feel to it. There's Mrs. Mixer over there in her natural habitat. Let's take a walk around the couch here. So I do love this thing. Although I do miss the red couch, this thing definitely does have like a vintage feel to it. I love the chase. It really kind of just, I don't know, it makes the room feel a lot nicer than that couch and chair combo did. So I am absolutely loving this couch. It's actually pretty comfortable too, except for it's kind of like a sauna in here because what happened yesterday?
Air conditioner broke.
Our air conditioner broke. The blower fan went out on our furnace, so it's hot, really hot. I think it was 87 degrees in the house yesterday. It was 100 degrees. Luckily today, the high was only like 78 degrees, so it's been pretty mild. Tomorrow's supposed to be like 85, so it'll be another fairly mild day. But I don't think the blower fan will be in until like Friday or Saturday, so it's gonna be like a sauna. You thought we were done. This isn't what this trip is about. Southward we go. We are going to Nevada, Texas, just east of Dallas, and I'll show you why when we get there. First, I have to make a little pit stop. You know, I got to get a McDouble or something. My little tummy's rumbling just a little bit. But after that, it is southbound and down. Got the couch loaded up, and we're trucking. Well, it was smooth sailing. This is bullshit. Bumper, bumper traffic as far as the eye can see. Will we ever make it? Find out next time. Okay, the episode isn't over, but traffic is the bane of my existence. 3 hours later. Oklahoma? More like Oklahoma. Jeez Louise, let's get this moving, baby. Just crossed the Red River, you know what that means. I'm Deep in the heart of Texas. Well, actually, I just crossed the border, but you know, close enough. Texas is Texas, am I right? Except for Austin, they're a little weird down there. I had to make another pit stop. I did that thing where, you know, you forget your charger. I do it every time. I have like 57,000 charger cords laying around because every time I go on the road, I seem to forget my charger. I'm like, my phone's at 100%. I won't need it. Joke's on me. So I safely made it to Texas, and this is what all the commotion was about. Check this out. This is a KitchenAid Model H5 from 1919. This was the very first KitchenAid ever made. Check this thing out. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a tank. It weighs about 70 or 80 pounds. Check that out. Here's the old tag that's on there. This thing does in fact run, and I had them test it. It hits all speeds. Really the only downside is the little knob broke off right here, but I'll go ahead and, you know, fabricate something to go on there. But check this out. It's got 3 speeds. You just switch this little lever. There's a switch here that you click down when you want to put it into gear, turn it off, and then you just switch between the speeds like that. How stinking interesting is that? I have been looking for one of these for years, and I'm so glad I came across it. It is in great condition, and to sweeten the deal, check this out. So not only does it have the bowl that's on the machine with a paddle, but it's also got 2 other bowls, several other paddles. Look, it's got a few of these like old knife paddles. Those are amazing. A couple whisks. It's got a sifter. It's got a meat grinder here, an old vintage meat grinder. And then this is the cherry on top. Check this thing out right here. This is the old vegetable slicer that they used to have. So basically you just put your vegetable in right there. It's got 2 blades, and as it spins, you just kind of put pressure on this, push it down, and it shoots vegetables out that chute right there. How stinking cool is that? All right, let's get this drawing underway. Don't worry, I will show off that H5 here a little bit in the future. We'll probably make a full-length video on it. It's such a cool machine. We're definitely going to use it. We're going to make something with it. It's too cool not to show off. Oh, yeah, what's this? All these boxes back here? Those are mixers that have been shipped in. We just finished them. We're about to ship them back out tomorrow. All right, let's spin that wheel. All right, here's the wheel. Look at all of those beautiful names on there. I think we have like 55 or 56 subs, so the chances of winning are still really, really good. What do you think about that, Sloth Man? You ready for this? Yeah, you are. All right, let's do it. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel. Come on, baby. Who's going to win? Who's the lucky winner this month? Do it, do it, do it, do it. Who's it gonna be? Louisa Forger, congratulations! Louisa, I hope you are excited. I am so very excited for you. We will be in contact. We'll get this thing shipped out to you here in the next few days. Oh, I really hope you get good use out of it. Thank you so much for the sub, and literally, I'm so happy it's going to a nice, deserving home. So, be ready to put some work in. So unfortunately, there are no consolation prizes this month. Generally, we do a couple consolation prizes. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of really big costs come. So apart from the AC breaking down, that's just a personal issue, but we actually just spent $4,500 on a powder coating oven, because you guys know, if you followed me for very long, you know we're about to open up a powder coating operation. We'll be able to custom color these machines to whatever color your little heart desires. But also, we have to build a new shop, so we were actually just put a half down on a 16 by 24 foot shop, and then we got to run electricity to it and things like that. So basically, every dime that I've made from Mr. Mixer so far is going directly back into the business. Hopefully, it's going to help us grow and help us just offer more services and do more better things for this community. So, very excited. We'll definitely do some consolations next month, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you skipped ahead to the very end just to see the drawing, I still appreciate you. Thanks for being here. This concludes the episode. We have some more stuff coming for you. Hopefully I can get some videos out a little bit faster. We've been very swamped, undergoing some big changes in the shop here, but yeah, I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.